everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well and welcome to my new house. This is my empty house tour. Please come in. So when you enter, can you shut the door behind you?
Yeah.
Thanks. So when you enter the house, you come into a hallway which I'll show you in a sec. But the first room, which is on your left, is the living room. So this is the living room. We've got a beautiful bay window, which I really love. And yeah, it's a really good size. We've already got a sofa and an armchair that we're gonna put in here already. As you can see, it needs a lot of work doing to it. We've got a fireplace which works. Yeah, this is the first room. Yeah? Robin's filming this for me. Got the shot? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Right, and now we're going to come into the hallway. This is the hallway. It's quite dark. The light, unfortunately, doesn't work. But if you head down, you've got the stairs going upstairs on your left. In here, we've got a toilet, which I really don't want to show you, but I'm going to show you. It needs a little bit of work. So this is the bathroom. So we're going to obviously rip this all out and do it again. So it's a shower room downstairs. I mean, you don't really need to see any more of that. We'll shut that way. And then we come into this room, which is going to be my office space. Yeah, really big size. I'm gonna hopefully have like my desk on this wall here and a sofa area, like chill out area here. Got an amazing big window so I can watch the dogs in the garden, which is really good. Yeah, so it's a really decent size. And then, if you follow me over here, there's like this weird archway, which I thought originally was the stairs going upstairs, but it's not, it's a cupboard under the stairs. So, really good storage. I'm not going to bother opening it, or unless Robin wants to open it. It's really not that much to look at, but yeah, that is it. So that is really handy to have to store like a Hoover and stuff like that. So yeah, this house is actually really decent size and there's loads of places to store things. But yeah, I'm excited to see this room come to life. I've got lots of ideas. And then we head into the breakfast room, which is this room here. It's an alright size. We're just going to have a table in here. To be honest, this is actually going to go soon. We want to knock this down. We also want to knock the kitchen down as well and get an extension for like those open plan kitchens and like dining room, living room things. But yeah, if you come into here, which the ceiling's a little bit low, but it's not too bad. Like it's a decent sized kitchen. Got lots of storage. It will do for now until we knock it down and yeah, get a new kitchen. That is the goal, but obviously extensions and kitchens are very expensive, so we're probably going to just keep it like this for now. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Okay, let's go. Coming out here.
You're going to do the garden?
Yeah, let's go to the garden. Okay. So when you come into the garden, of course, not echo anymore. When you come to the garden, you come out into this like courtyardy bit, which is actually a really decent size. We've got an alleyway down the side of the house here, which goes to a gate, which is really handy. We've never actually had that before. We've always had to kind of go through our house into the garden, so that's going to be nice. That's the kitchen in there, which goes up to about here-ish. And then this end bit is actually the oil tank, which we do want to remove because it's taking up a lot of room, and we want to transfer the oil back to gas, which they did have anyway. I don't know why they changed it because oil is quite expensive. So yeah, that takes up a lot of room, so that needs to go. And then this is the garden. I mean, it's a pretty good size. We've got lots of trees and bushes which need to be sorted out, but yeah, it's a decent enough garden. And down the end of the garden, I'm not going to bother showing you, but it's just a single garage, which is really handy. And that's the end of the garden. So
you're just going to use that for storage, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to use the garage for storage probably, for lots of house bits that we've got, and
your beauty products and
yeah, my Sophie Hannah beauty products and things, so that will be stored down there. So yeah, super handy actually.
I wonder what this was.
I don't know, it looks like they've definitely had something there, maybe a swimming pool or something, I don't know. But yeah, really nice garden for the dogs to run around in. We've even got an apple tree, which I just noticed, but To be honest, I'm probably going to knock that down because it's probably not good for the dogs to eat apples off a tree. Anyway, right, let's go back into the house. Right, let's go upstairs. So, they, I think, took off the banisters on these walls, but I think they're going to get them replastered and put something back on. And then when you reach the top, you turn left. This is the master bedroom. So again, a really, really good size. I'm so excited to actually have a proper master bedroom because our bedroom at our house now is like this big. Literally so tiny. Got a really nice window. Yes, decent size. And we've got lots of exciting plans for this room. I also actually really love the door. How cute is this like kind of starry effect window on the door? I think this must be the original door. It's really nice though. So this house I think was built in the late 1800s. So it's a Victorian townhouse. Right, let's keep going along the hallway. And then you come into this back bedroom, which is the smallest bedroom in the house. Yeah, it's like a single bedroom really. Not really much to it, it needs a lot of work. And then you've got the window that looks out into the garden. So it's nice, you're not really overlooked. We are semi-detached, so we're joint to next door. But yeah, no, decent enough. Right, let's head out. And we're gonna go this way now and into the main bathroom. So we've got two bathrooms in the house. The one downstairs that you saw, which is a shower room, and then this is the master kind of bathroom. It's not actually too bad. Really nice roll top bath. I think we probably will get rid of it, to be honest though, and get a new one fitted because I don't know how old that one is. But yeah, I do like the idea of a roll top bath. We've got this amazing huge storage cupboard. So this is going to be so good to store like all of my beauty products in that are for the bathroom, like shampoos and conditioners and stuff like that, hair dye. Yeah, but we are going to be redoing this. I actually really love the windows up there. I think that's really, really cool, and it's like different, it's kind of quirky. Yeah, we've got really cool ideas for this. We are actually going to keep it like a pinky kind of theme, so yeah, let's head upstairs. Right, so this is going to be the third floor. No, is it second floor? So this is the first floor, and then the second floor? Well, it's the third, whatever. I can get in. Right, let's go up. The stairs are actually alright, they're just nice and wooden. They don't actually need to be redone. We've got this weird thing here, but I don't really know what it's for, but I'm thinking I might put my wedding dress in it, because I think that could probably look really cool in there, and it would fit really nicely on like a mannequin. Anyway, coming to here, this is another bedroom, double bedroom, really great size again. The only downside about this room is the ceiling. Let me show you Robin. Let me show him, because then they'll be able to see. So, there's Robin.
Ow!
The ceiling height in here is pretty low. So what we are going to do, so the house next door, we had a little sneaky peek online and they've actually taken the loft out. Now, we had a little peek in the loft and the loft space is literally like that big, so there's nothing of it. So we take this out and then we can have like a roof like that in this room. So when you come in, we'll have like beams and then the ceiling will kind of go to a point like that at the top of the house. And then at least people like Robin can come up here and not feel like, because even to me it feels a bit claustrophobic. You can feel that it's really low. So yeah, so we're going to sort that out up here. And then this room will be my dressing room, beauty room, storage. So I'll probably have like a dressing table like by this window here. And then I'm going to have storage all along this wall. Hopefully maybe even in this corner bit. And then all along that wall there as well, I'll have storage. Maybe even a little centre island or something coming out of here, a little island coming out of here. So this room will be storage, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, it's going to be a long while till I can get this done because we need to get the roof done first. But yeah, there is another bedroom on the other side. So if we go into here, matches my hair. Yeah, so this is the other room up here. It's a tiny, tiny bit smaller, I'd say, than the other one. But this room, I think we were gonna have it as a spare bedroom, but I'm thinking now, I was gonna shoot and have storage in that room, but I don't want to restrict myself too much and outgrow this big house straight away, because that's one reason why we moved. So I thought I'd have this room as like a studio. So either have a backdrop behind me where I can shoot against, or maybe have a backdrop here.
The situation is the same with the...
Yeah, the ceiling's the same.
So
we need to take the ceiling up. This is the loft. Yeah, so we're going to take the ceiling up in here as well and raise the roof. So
we'll lose the loft space.
Yeah, we'll lose the loft space. We don't really need it. Like, there's a lot of storage in this house. We've never used the loft in our current house. We've got a garage at the end. Like, for us, we don't really have much.
And that's bedroom downstairs.
Yeah, we don't really have much, like, clutter. It's more, I just have a lot of stuff for my work and what I do. A lot of products, a lot of clothes. I need somewhere to shoot. So, yeah, this top floor will all be mine, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to be great. But yeah, it's going to take a while to do, but we'll get there in the end. Right, let's go back downstairs.
Oh, there's a cupboard here as well.
Yeah, but I think I'm going to knock that through. We found some rat droppings, which is not nice. I probably shouldn't have told you that, but yeah, I'm not feeling very comfortable in this room, let's just put it that way. So let's go back down. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on my empty house tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, I'm going to be renovating, so if you want to follow my journey, then make sure you follow me at sophiehannahrichardson on Instagram. I'll pop a link below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.